Everybody, so I've been having a lot of fun using my Lazy Susan cake turntable, so I'm going to be doing a straight pour. Let's see what happens. I am going to be working on a 16-inch hexagon canvas. I've got my cup, so what I plan on doing is putting all the paint in my beaker and then just doing a straight pour. Alright, so all of my paints that I'm going to be using today are mixed with Liquitex, Floetrol, and water, and I'm not using any silicone, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay everybody, so the painting is all dry and I'm really happy with my results. I've got a lot of detail in this one. I also got some cool texture. The paint spread out really nice using the cake turntable spinner, Lazy Susan. So if you guys are nervous about tilting, if you're new, try it. Also, there's the silicone mats that go on top, help to keep your canvas in place. It's really grippy. They're cut to fit. Both of those things are in my description. There's links below, so check those out. Don't forget to join my new Facebook page, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. It is for all of us, for you guys to post. If you've tried some of my techniques, post them there so I can see your results. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, also invite your friends to the Facebook page as well. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.